DJI Mavic Mini unboxing. As a matter of fact, I normally unbox credit cards and talk about credit and how to build your credit, but in this video, I'm going to be talking about the DJI Mavic Mini. As a matter of fact, I will be unboxing it. Now, I'm not a drone specialist. I am as amateur as you get when it comes to drones, but I had to do it. I had to get myself a new toy. I've wanted a drone for a while, so I decided to go ahead and grab the DJI Mavic Mini. This is the Fly More combo, so I'm going to be unboxing it in this video. And then, of course, I will try my best to put more videos up when I actually start flying the drone. So I ordered this drone like 2 weeks ago, and I had to wait for it to come because it's in such high demand. And so that part sucked, but I tried to make sure that I had my mini SD card in time, and it was supposed to get here yesterday on Amazon or from Amazon, but I didn't get it. So it'll be interesting flying it. I probably will fly it today, even though I don't have the mini SD card. But what I want to do right now is I want to go ahead and do the unboxing of the DJI Mavic Mini. So give me 1 second and we'll jump right into the unboxing of this wonderful, awesome drone from DJI. Okay, so here we are looking at the box for the Mavic Mini, and this is the Fly More combo. I went ahead and got the Fly More combo because I thought it made sense. Just from the battery perspective alone, you get 2 more extra batteries. Then you have this little charging device, and of course you get the blade guard, and you get this cool little box. So I decided to go ahead and get the Fly More combo, mainly because of the extra batteries, because I know that I would want to fly as much as possible. So I'm going to try to awkwardly and to the best of my ability do this unboxing. So I'm going to get this knife out here and find some way to kind of open the box, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so after fiddling around with the knife for a while, I was able to kind of get a couple of places cut so I could kind of take this little plastic wrap off. You guys probably like seeing that stuff. I know I do. And like I said, this is the Fly More combo, which I think is a good investment. I mean, it's $4.99, or for me, it was $4.99. I'm not sure what the price will be if you're interested and when that time comes. But for me, it was $4.99. And so there's a little, deal here at the top. I cut that as well. And I'm just gonna open it at the top, and I'll stand up here and kind of show you guys what's inside. Dude, I'm so excited about this. Of course, this is just yet another DJI Mavic Mini unboxing video. There are a lot of them on YouTube, and this will be another one, like DJ Khaled says. So that's pretty much, I think inside that will be the drone and the battery and so on and so forth. I don't know what's in here. Actually, it feels like nothing, to be honest with you. I'll check that in a second. And then inside the box here, we have some more stuff. We have some plugs. I tell you what, I'm going to take all this stuff out, and then I'll show you guys exactly what's what. Forgive me here, guys. I'm sorry, I'm not professional with my video. I'll work on it maybe if I get to do some more unboxing in the future. So that's pretty much all that's inside the box. So it looks like this when you take it out. So I have whatever's in that box, this box. That looks like some reading stuff. I think there's nothing inside. There's nothing inside that box there. So give me 1 second and I'll get sorted, because I'm holding my iPhone with my right hand and kind of showing you guys what's in the box. Give me 1 second and I'll be right back. Okay, so in the big white box that I wasn't sure what it was, inside this box here was actually the propeller guards. So that's what was in that box. Then this box here, let's see what's in here. I think these are the batteries. Yep, that is correct. Oh, goodness. These things are in here tight. I guess I'm just gonna rip it. That took forever. That was painful to open. So these are the extra batteries. There's 3 batteries here, as you guys can see. There's 3. Okay, and then inside here is the adapter, I think, like to plug into the wall. All right, there you go. That's pretty straightforward. And then in here is just instructions. Okay, so there's instructions in here. And then of course, this is probably what you guys are waiting for, myself included. Right here is going to be the actual, wow, this is light. The drone itself, it says DJI Mavic right there. And I open it up and here we are. Here's the money shot, guys. You have the actual drone right here, which is pretty freaking sweet. Wow, it is light. It is super light. Look at that. So that's the drone here. It feels really light, like kind of like a toy. It's super light. It's quite interesting. This is my very first drone. So this will be pretty interesting for me, but I wanted to kind of share the unboxing experience with you guys so that you can know what to expect when your time comes. So that's the drone there. Then right here is the, unwrap this. Right here is the deal that holds the batteries. It's the deal that holds the batteries, guys. You can tell I really am new to this whole drone deal, but I'm looking forward to the adventure. So basically you slide your batteries inside here, of course, and it does tell you, it shows you which battery has the most power and which one is charging and so on and so forth. So that's pretty cool. And then here you have the actual remote. This is where you connect your phone. And so here's the remote. As you guys can see, the antennas here that flip out some way that I don't know how. I don't want to break it, so maybe I should chill. Yep, I'm gonna leave that alone. So that's the remote. Underneath that is this. Let's see what this is. Okay, so this is extra propellers here. As you guys can see, there's extra propellers here. So there are, I guess, what is it, 3? Okay, cool. So you have extra propellers here. Once again, this is the Fly More combo. And then underneath where this was, let's see what's underneath here. I'll show you guys here. Let's see what's underneath here. Let me open this up and kind of see. Underneath here is some more equipment. So this is cable to charge.
I don't have an answer for that. Is
Wow.
there something else?
So these are cables here to charge your batteries, of course. And so there's some more equipment in here. I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap everything and just kind of show you guys exactly what you get. Okay, so what you're looking at right now is everything you get inside the DJI Mavic Mini Fly More combo box. So right here we have some different connections that you're gonna go from your telephone to the actual remote. Then you have this wall connector here with cables that you can plug into the actual charger for the batteries right here. We have extra propellers here. There's 3 of them. There's a little Phillips screwdriver here for when you need to be screwing it. There's some more deals here for the joystick, or I'll call them little deals for the joystick. Of course, I don't know what I'm talking about, but this goes here on the remote, as you guys can see. So you have some of those. You have 3 batteries. You normally just get 1. So that's why I got the Fly More combo. So I got 2 more extra batteries. And then you have the propeller guards over here, which is pretty straightforward. You have the actual drone. And then this is probably one of the most important things for me personally is the directions. I need to read this and hopefully get some videos out and just kind of show you guys my first impressions with this particular drone from DJI, the Mavic Mini. This is my very first drone, so I'm super excited. Thank you guys for bearing with me throughout this video. I did my best to kind of show you guys what you can expect when you do the unboxing for the DJI Mavic Mini. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully I'll see you guys in another video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.